How to set work profile on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, open up your settings application from your device. You will see a page like this. In here, scroll below. You will find the option of Google Services. Tap onto it. Then here, go on to All Services tab. Scroll below. Then under Device Policy, you will see Set up your work profile. Tap it. Then you can read this, then tap on Next. You have to allow to take pictures and record videos. You can tap on Only this time. Now, as you do so, there might be a code that has been sent by your IT admin. You have to scan this code. If not, you can also enter the code manually. To do that, tap on Enter Code Manually and just type in the code here, then tap on Next. If you tap on Next here, it will direct you to the page where you can easily create a work profile, and that is how you can do it. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe.